a fire like a bullet. Hot, 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 them can't cool it. Time is now, I fi do with narcotics. Step to the gorilla, them it get tragic actually. Not TikTok, no normally carbon it. Yellow spread out, a kitty pan it, italics. No joke, me nah panic. Damn church, they know me born fi iconic. Man a gorilla with a regular.
Alright, so you don't know, the big head man himself. You don't know. You know someone want to talk to? Sister Marian Hall, otherwise known as Lady Sir. I want to adjust Lady Sir for 1 second.
Me too cute for mix up and blend. So tell a girl she fi go with her argument. Me stress free cause me know in a excitement. Them give away free but no man not there beside them. Some girl a hype on me, yes a man a hide them. Nah no pride girl.
About 5 years ago, so to speak, or little lesser than that. Mr. Marian Hall come on TV and she said, boy, she get saved. And you know, Lady Sir, she said, boy, she's now a child of God and she's walking with the Lord. I mean, I say, that is very good, you know. That is very good. That's a very good example. At least, she come out of the raggy table thing. You know, say she's a hardcore artist, Jamaican artist. So me I say, this is good. This is good. At least she come out and she has set some example now and she about to take a little turn. And, you know, she about to do her thing different. Then, me hear this.
Minister Hall, returning to dance hall.
Now, me I say to myself, say, wonder if this is just a joke or a show. You know, say people like them, yeah, will really cause church business and Christ for the racket, for go down. And them are kind of people cause people for not believe in Jesus Christ, you know. And them are kind of people water down the gospel because here one now. This minute them in, the next minute them out. This minute them in, the next minute them out. Now tell me, Marian Hall, when you are come back in a dance, I'll come do. A all-time big woman like you know, where say you find the Lord and you start create a whole audience now with evangelists all and all this kind of thing. When you are come back a dance, I'll come do. No like say when you did that, you not do nothing good. You not do nothing good. You was one of the most reputable female artists and everybody know that. So when time people hear, when some mother and father hear, say you change over and give life to God, we were happy for that because at least our girl picking and I got able to hear the type of thing them and the kind of slackness so you used to be and go along with. You say you convert to Christianity. Why you can't keep it there so? Why God can't use you in some other way more than send back your old go back in a dance hall? What wrong with you, man? A people like I don't know we're confused. I try to draw people with confusion, you know. Just because you hear Spice and RT come out the other day and calling us some little obviaism, you come up and you take God and fight cross and you swear and you carry on and you galang. Listen, man, if you know you're not guilty or not, you don't need for swear, you don't need for no explanation. Make God fight the battle for you. No, you want to go back in a dance hall. I don't want to go back as the queen, but I want to go back in that. Go do what? Tell me where you really intend to do. Go back, go do what? You like you not do something good. You never did that do nothing good. We accept you as evangelist Marian Hall. We don't know where that come from, but we accept you there. So where you are try to find back your way back down there suffer. It's easier for somebody to draw you down more than pull you up. Why you go back down and hell to try to pull up somebody? Eh? Man, you get trapped down there now. Or is it that you run dry? Is it that you well run dry and you feel like say if you go back there go make an impact to get back to my money? Where you miss? Where you miss? Because dancers surely no miss you know. Dancers surely no miss you. I mean no people who love music and like to listen and chill and listen to music on Sunday day. Your type of music wasn't the type of music that people listen on Sunday day, sister. We rather listen to you now when you sit down by your chair and chat on social media. When you want to dry your backside, but you want to go back in a dance hall, go to lady. You can't, enough is never enough for you. What I'm doing now? Give somebody else a chance. Dance hall don't want you back. There's no place in dance hall for you. You all admit the fact this is the end of your career right here. So take up what you take up. You take up Christianity. We approve your Christian life. We see the changes where you're going with. Now you come to me see your conduct and your behavior over there, you know. When RT talk about the Obia business, you know, me I watch your conduct and your behavior. I mean I say to myself, say, but as a woman of God, you don't need fear go on so. Why them a kind of the reputable behavior for? Now you come out with it plainly and say your intention is to go back in a dance hall. Oh man, I don't know. I make una water down the gospel. So that's why people confused. People don't know what they believe no more. People scared. We don't know what they believe no more. This minute to no in, next minute to no out. This minute to no in, next minute to no out. Where you are back a dance, I go tell people say.
Me too rich for argue with. Me too nice for in a. Me too hot and a that gal no like them. A everybody sitting me a wife. Ring.
Me sure most of people don't want to hear nothing from you. We rather feel listen to Marian Hall. We don't want to hear no more ladies, sir. We don't want to hear them no more. And you know what say? You well planned this, you know. You well planned this because me hear all your lyrics them where you spit out of your mouth. Black and elite and ray. So you well sit down and plan this. Meantime you did it. I propose the gospel to people. You sit down there and plan how to come deliver. Ladies, sir. Sit down your backside in a Zion if you're there in a Zion. Hold your feet in a Zion. Stop water down the gospel. Nobody no want you back in a dance hall. You're not qualified to be in dance hall no more. Sister Marian Hall, nobody don't want you back around here. Leave this to the younger generation. Make them talk about cyber center and all them kind of thing. We don't want to hear that ass dead and push fat and all them something no more. We don't want to hear who leave and how for fault again. We tired of that. You understand? And people need to tell you the truth. You understand? People say, go Sister Marian, go Sister Marian. Yes, you used to do it and you used to do it when I slackest and the nastiest way. And we accept it because we never know better. Now you're gone in a church, you go sit down in a seat and say you call yourself Minister Marian Hall, leave dancehall alone. This is not for you. There is no room in dancehall for you. There is no place in dancehall for you. And I wish somebody could have come out and tell you the truth. Say, Sister Hall, leave that alone, man. Leave that to the young. God now have no different way for saving people them. God now have no different way for reach out to a generation. But for carry you back in a dance and make you go sing. Where you go sing? Say? Like you have some good old catalog with some good old praise and worship song. Sister, stay where you're there. Fasten your seatbelt in Zion and sit down and hold your seat. Nobody no want to back out here. There's no room and no place for you. And I wish somebody will sit down for your choir could have tell you the truth. Say, Marian, leave that alone. There's no room for you and there's no more place for you. I hope you get it to your head.
There's a room in my house reserved for Jesus. Hey, there's a room in my house reserved for the Lord. Oh yes, He come as He please, and I never hear Him leave. There's a room.
Easily does it. This up for you like a bullet. Hot. Them can't cool it. Time is now. I feel do it narcotics. Step to the gorilla, them it get tragic actually. Not TikTok, no normally carbon it. Yellow spread out, a kitty pan it, italics. No joke, me nah panic. Damn church, they know me born for iconic. Man a gorilla with a regular.